Hello, my dearest fellows. अच्छा था. Hello, my dearest fellow. Oh, that was a good one. Hello, my dearest fellows. एंड में ज़रा बोलना है. दोस्तों नमस्कार नमस्कार. कैसे हैं आप लोग? कैसा बीता आपका दिन? कैसे बीती आपकी रात? फॉर पीपल हु आर ज्वाइनिंग फ्रॉम all over the world, from United States, good morning to them. To some people, I just said good morning in any case, and to some people, I'm saying good evening. I'm very happy to be on this live chat with a friend of mine, and also somebody who, at this stage, may not be such a familiar face with everybody, but whose knowledge and whose revolutionary work that he is doing is going to make him very famous, very beneficiary to a lot of us, health-wise. We will bring him on live, then maybe he will be able to tell you himself. He is basically a young, very young doctor, wellness doctor. I have been going to him for the last three years almost, and he can be in a, if we don't have words to describe him, I'll say alternate medicine and alternate way of healing your body, and we will get him. His name is Dr. Jul Gamadia. He is Bombay based, and he's wonderful. I don't want to sort of take away the fact that what he's going to talk to us about in today's time, especially in where health has become so important, immune system has become so important, our strength, inner strength has also become so important. This guy who has some amazing people who go to him. I don't want to reveal their names right now, but this friend of mine, Dr. Jul Gamadia, is going to join us. In the meantime, some nice people are joining us. Tenzin65, D. Dev, Patel, Vinod Kumar. Hello, my friend. How are you? And I will request, if Dr. Gamadia is looking at it, hi from Toronto, Jug7826. Please, okay, whatever you're saying, डराओ मत. And if Dr. Jul Gamadia, इनको तो मेरे दोस्त हैं, ये जूल बोलता हूँ मैं, मगर आज इनको मैंने बोला कि आप ज़रा अच्छी तरह से तैयार हो के आना, वरना ये लड़का है, बच्चा है, बट कमाल का बच्चा है. If he is there, then he should join us. Please take my name, Arav Taneja. ये तो साथ में जुड़े होते ना सारे नाम. तो अराव तनेजा बोल रहा था मैं. बेवकूफ़ किस्म का इंसान हूँ मैं भी. मेरी माँ मुझे बहुत बेवकूफ़ बोलती है. सौरभ झा, आई लव यू. ओके फाइन. स्पीक इन हिंदी. क्यों दीपक सिंह, आपने अंग्रेजी में लिखा है स्पीक इन हिंदी. वाह बेटा दीपक, इंग्लिश में लिखते हो स्पीक इन हिंदी. And there is an idiot also on the show who is giving me a lecture about something, but we will ignore him. And Dr. Gamadia, please come on, man. And hello, Dr. Gamadia is there. Dr. Jul Gamadia is going to go live with me. तो मेरे दोस्तों एक तैयार हो जाओ, एक ऐसे छोटे से हेलो डॉक्टर माय फ्रेंड.
हेलो जी, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. वाह वाह वाह. आज तो साफ सुथरे बिल्कुल. दाढ़ी वाड़ी बढ़ा ली और रैली कि डॉक्टर.
पहली बार बढ़ा रहा हूँ,
पहली
कभी
बार
बढ़ाई नहीं मैंने.
पहली बार पहले को कह रहा जुड़ते चले रहे हैं. उनको बोल रहा था आप करते क्या हैं, तो मेरे लिए बड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. तो दोस्तों देयर इज डॉक्टर जूल गमाडिया. अब आप इनको अंग्रेजी में या हिंदी में जो भी भाषा में आप बोलना चाहें. कुछ लोग अमेरिका से जुड़ रहे हैं, कुछ लोग टोरंटो से जुड़ रहे हैं, कुछ लोग अमेरिका लंदन से जुड़ रहे हैं. तो मे बी मिक्स भाषा में बताइए कि आप किस किस्म के डॉक्टर हैं. What is it your specialty? Because I come to you, you have healed me of lots of, you've healed a lot of people. We'll talk about those people a little later. But what is it your specialty?
Sir, first of all, I try to make sense to people about what is wrong with them, because a lot of time there are two things. There is a disease and there is a symptom. People always take the symptom as a disease. That's where things start to go wrong. जैसे अगर सर दर्द हो रहा है तो सर दर्द एक बीमारी हो जाती है, पर सर दर्द एक बीमारी नहीं है. Headache is not a disease. It is a symptom of a disease which is something else. So first thing I do is I always explain people, and we try to figure out why this is happening or what is behind it. Because rather than doing something symptomatic, if you just go work on the cause, the symptom can be headache, it can be your face is swelling, your legs are swelling, you might have bloating, name it. It goes away. So that is I would like to say that is the core of my practice.
Okay. So you are a young man. When did you start thinking about it? Why did you get involved with this?
In school, I was very bad with everything except biology.
How old are you? Let me ask you that right now.
I'm 28.
Wow. Yeah, light on karo. You're 28. So in school you were very bad at studies, which is
No, I was bad at everything except biology.
Acha. And then what happened, and how did you 28 May, how did you discover all this? Tell us something about your journey a little bit.
मेरा एक प्रॉब्लम था, मैं हमेशा अगर मैं 11वीं में हूं ना तो मैं 12वीं की मुझे किताबें पढ़नी होती है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तो बिकॉज आई न्यू वन थिंग कि अगर ये सक्सेशन है तो आज जो मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ इसके आगे क्या, या फिर what is next. So जब तक एक टाइम मेरी बहुत I once had a very bad fight with my professor because he was saying something which was contraindicating to something which I would learn next year.
Oh, अच्छा.
हाँ. तो मेरी उससे बहस हो गई और फिर बाद में मैंने उसको रेफरेंस दे दिया. तो मैंने उसको बोला अगले गए अभी मैंने पूछा आप अगली क्लास आपकी में जा ही रहे हो ना, वहां पे जो हमारे आगे वाला सीनियर है वहां तो आप ये पढ़ने वाले हो. तो हमारी बहस हो गई और मुझे उस दिन क्लास से बाहर निकाल दिया था.
अच्छा. ओके.
So basically it is what's next in especially in medical is something and I believe one thing. What we read in books today, there's something about it also. There's something known as your own intuition. There's something known as your processing power to it.
Okay.
Reading a book does not help you with everything.
But my friend, you are just 28. First time I asked your age. And the kind of people who come to you for, I call it healing because I feel healed when I come to you. So the kind of people who come to you, who have an amazing experience of life, they're in the business of fitness, they're in the business of beauty, they're in the business of entertainment. Do I have the permission to tell the names of these people who come to you?
I don't think anyone would mind.
So my friends, that the people who go to Dr. Gamadia for feel better is our cricket captain Virat Kohli, is Anushka Sharma, of course, Ajay Devgan, Katrina Kaif, Shahid Kapoor, and so many others. So including me. I was referred to him by a friend of mine, a common friend, and then I went, and he's addictive. So when did you get involved in this? How did you go that I should go into this particular field?
Sir, I would not like to name that person or the disease.
Okay.
There was this one complication one of my client had. This is long back when I was just doing very basic alternative medicine. So he went to Germany, and he came back, and because whenever I used to treat him, I used to feel so bad about him. I was like, "Yaar, there's no outcome, there's no future for you." And he's like, "Jul, what to do?" And we used to keep talking about it during our sessions. So he got better. He came back and he's like, "Jul, I've not told anybody else, but I'm coming straight to you." And he told me, "Jul, I found this one guy in Germany, who know you need to meet him.
Hmm.
You need to meet that person. So I met him, and that person changed my perspective about medicine, especially about alternate medicine, and what he taught me was how to connect things. अभी जैसे हमने दो चीज साथ में खा ली तो ब्लोटिंग हो गई. अभी उसमें दोनों चीज सही है, बट हमने उसको साथ डाल दिया. इट बिकेम समथिंग एल्स.
जैसे गिव मी एन एग्जांपल.
अभी जैसे सर सपोज आपने जैसे लोग बोलते हैं मच्छी के साथ दूध. हमारे स्टमक में अलग अलग एसिड्स होते हैं जो अगर कुछ चीजें साथ में अगर नहीं होनी चाहिए, अगर वो हम साथ में डाल दें तो हमारे एसिड्स कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से स्टमक प्रोसेस नहीं कर पाता हमने जो खाया है. स्टमक कांट प्रोसेस इट. सो आगे लोग उसे बोलते हैं आईबीएस. उसकी कई बार लोग they start taking certain medications, they do a lot of other things, but problem kya thi, they just mix through wrong things, that's it. So to simplify, how to simplify an issue and how to use a plain common sense in coming to a conclusion about a disease is what I've learned.
Wow. And you also use the method of acupuncture. Because you do give me grief by putting needles into my feet. How does that help?
Sir, acupuncture, the traditional acupuncture, we don't do that. We use Western methods. Like we like allopathic diagnostics are amazing. Okay, like the blood tests that we do, all that really helps. So everything is taken into consideration along with a mild CNS machines are used. So that is what really helps us to give out results which you would get by taking a drug, or you would get by taking some kind of a medication.
You tell me lots of things not to eat. Like you tell me not to eat roti, not to eat atta. What is the theory behind it?
Sir, atta and few grains which are heavy to digest, after a certain point or because of less activity, like हम लोग we don't walk, if हमको कहीं जाना होता है we just stop a rickshaw, we have a cars, we have drivers, so our activity has gone down. Now when you have less activity, automatically your digestive enzymes go weaker. So no matter wheat might be good, but if your digestive enzymes are weak, if it can't break down that grain, that grain is going to get stuck in your intestinal tract and generate more and more toxicity, which further stresses your important organs like liver, your kidneys, and they are busy just filtering. They don't have the excess resources let them to do what they are supposed to do, and then people start seeing symptoms. That's why I tell people to avoid. If you move less, you eat less. If you move light, you eat light.
So how does rice help? You keep telling me have rice. You promote rice quite a bit. The rice has less possibility of bloating your stomach?
So rice is easy to break down because it's less complex. So whenever especially we treat, we try to make sure that we do not stress your organs too much.
So
जैसे अगर suppose आपका if you have a knee pain, suppose your knee is injured. Now we know that squatting is good for the knees, but you don't squat when your knee is injured, right? You rest it. So whenever you have an issue, you're supposed to rest that organ. You should not stress that organ. If you rest it, it will repair faster. So I usually tell people to eat the lightest during sessions because that's when your organs get to rest and that's when they repair faster. That's why.
And you pay, at least I believe in doctors. I believe in everybody has a specialization. When I go to a carpenter, I know that he knows his job. When I go to a electrician, I know his job. Similarly, not that I'm comparing all the professions. I'm completely illiterate when it comes to medical sciences. So that's why whatever you explain to me, you pay lot of attention to spleen in the body.
So,
Yeah. Why are you laughing?
spleen. आपने नस पकड़ी सर.
हाँ, नस पर हाँ, इसमें यहाँ नस स्प्लीन. या क्योंकि आप
Sir,
बात करते रहे तो मेरे को बोल बोल के, अरे सर आपकी स्प्लीन वीक हो रही है, आपकी स्प्लीन थोड़ी बेटर करते हैं, चलो अब मैं आज आपको थोड़ा जरा और अच्छा डोज देता हूँ. तो ये सब चीजें, स्प्लीन का क्या महत्व है पहले तो समझाइए. आम बोलचाल की भाषा में स्प्लीन होती क्या है? जब
सर स्प्लीन को कहते हैं तिल्ली.
तिल्ली. हाँ.
अभी मैं आपको स्प्लीन एक बहुत ही रहस्यमय ऑर्गन है. मैं हिंदी में बात करूं कि इंग्लिश में सर, क्या लगता है?
सर मिक्स में करिए ना. अभी रहस्यमय बैठे लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा रहस्यमय.
हाँ वो भी है. स्प्लीन इज अ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गन.
Sorry, it's a complex organ. Yes.
Yes, a very complex organ. The problem is, like right now, people are talking about immunity. Now, a lot of people don't know, or actually, I don't know why, but it is not even taught as in one of the basic organs while we are studying in school. I don't know. I have not learned about it till now. Spleen, हमारे जो immune cells है, the immune cells which are formed, वो ऐसी बॉडी में बन के सीधा वायरस को अटैक नहीं करते. हमारे बॉडी में ये सेल्स बनते हैं, फिर ये एक जगह पे दे आर नर्चर्ड. जैसे बच्चा, हाउ अ चाइल्ड इज नर्चर्ड एंड ग्रोज इनसाइड अ वूम्ब ऑफ द मदर. माँ की कोख में जिस तरह से बच्चा बढ़ता है, उसी तरह स्प्लीन में हमारे काफी वायरस फाइटिंग सेल्स स्प्लीन के अंदर मैच्योर होते हैं. दे गेट रेडी टू फाइट वायरसेस. सो I believe spleen is a very, very important organ. This is one of the functions that spleen has, which I shared with you. But this shows how important spleen is.
So how do you strengthen your spleen? How do you strengthen spleen without coming to you? Everybody can't come to you because it's a huge world. Everybody does not have an access to you. You are also very busy. You give me appointment once in a week. That also you crib. So
you're not supposed to say this. You're not supposed to say this.
But how do people strengthen their spleen?
To strengthen your spleen, first thumb rule is do not get acidic. If you get acidic, your spleen weakens. और spleen weak होने से,
when you say acidic means जब acidity हो जाती है, when you get acidity.
सर वैसी नहीं, ये बहुत बड़ा, this is one of the very big misconceptions that you will feel acidic. acidity या जब यहाँ जलन हो, you feeling burning in your esophagus, तो ही acidic है. ये ऐसा नहीं है. That's wrong. Internal secretion acid का भी होता है, which you don't feel. हमारी body constantly fight करती है ताकि body में acid levels कम हो. So while it's fighting, it doesn't make a noise. You won't feel it, but it's stressed. जैसे अगर हम बहुत शराब पी रहे हैं तो लिवर ज्यादा काम कर रहा है, but लिवर दर्द नहीं देता. We don't feel it, but वो काम कर रहा है ज्यादा. So same way, when you have excess acid, sometimes you might not feel it. But the best way to know if you are acidic or not is to watch your plate. अगर आप प्लेट में सब ज्यादा तला हुआ, ज्यादा मसाला ये सब खा रहे हो और आपका एसिडिटी नहीं हो रही, दैट इज गुड. आपका सिस्टम स्ट्रांग है, बट वो अंदर उसके रेपरकशंस होते ही हैं.
तो मतलब हर इंसान तो साधु की जिंदगी नहीं जी सकता ना. अब बारिश में पकौड़े खाने का दिल करता है? मैं ब्रेड पकौड़ा मुझे बहुत पसंद होता है. आपने कहा चीज मत खाओ, तो मुझे पिज्जा पसंद है. तो मतलब अगर हर चीज वैसी छोड़ दी तो फिर डॉक्टर की क्या जरूरत है? अगर हम अच्छा जीवन जिए कि भाई हमने जो नहीं खाना चाहिए, नेचर में फल तोड़ के खाने चाहिए, या ऐसा करना चाहिए वैसा करना चाहिए, तो फिर बीमार होगा नहीं इंसान. और अगर बीमार नहीं होगा तो डॉक्टर की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग, सॉरी बोलो.
मैं चाहता हूं बीमार कम पड़े.
नहीं, my idea is to tell you that if we all lived a life of saintly life, then it's not possible. In real life you feel like eating. Yeah,
sir, you're right. I'm not saying completely stop it. अभी नेचर में जैसे दिन रात अपने को अगर if body has to be alkaline, you need acidic also. Your body has to be acidic. एक लेवल चाहिए बॉडी को. अगर एसिडिक ना हो then you might fall sick. तो अगर आप if you want to eat wrong in moderation. Don't make it a staple.
That's right. Yes.
तो अगर आप जैसे आपको आपने कहा कि मुझे आज पकोड़े खाने का मन हुआ,
हाँ.
ठीक है खाओ, बट मेरी एक शर्त है. मैं सबसे गुजारिश एक ही चीज का करता हूँ. अगर आपको पिज्जा खाने का मन है, मैं खुद खाता हूँ कई बार, मुझे मन कर, लेकिन मैं डालता नहीं इंस्टाग्राम पे कि मैं खा रहा हूँ. मैं छुपके से खा लेता हूँ.
Whenever I come to you ask your mother to send you dal and rice. That's all you eat. So
I know, but I like to keep it very clean. I like to keep my diet clean.
Okay.
एक्चुअली मैं बोलना भूल गया. अगर आपको ये सब खाना है तो आप चबा के खाओ.
That's what you do. Yes, that's what
क्योंकि
you say.
अगर यहाँ हमारे यहाँ पे थोड़े ग्लैंड्स होते हैं जो एक तरह का रसायन या फिर जूसेस ये हमारे खाने में मिक्स होता है. अगर ये मिक्स नहीं हुआ तो स्टमक में और जूस बनता है जिससे और एसिड बनता है.
Okay.
तो इसके लिए अगर आपको गलत खाने का मन करे आप खाइए, बट चबा के खाइए.
चबा के खाइए. Very good, very good, very good. आप मुझे I don't drink much, but once I asked you, I'm in America, and I said, can I have a glass of wine? And you said, don't have a glass of wine. If you want to have, you can have whiskey. So, what is the difference between the two of them?
सबसे पहले तो आपने बहुत गलत किया, अमेरिका की याद दिला दी.
I know. Yes, we spent
some हम गाते हुए फिरते थे पार्कों में, याद है?
Yes, we had some good time together.
Yeah, it was very nice. Anyway, sir, so I've seen this. This is my personal observation which I have seen. Abhi, people who stay, there are different hemispheres in the world. Cold region where people eat too much meat. It goes well with the climate. We have to understand कि अगर हम आज इंडिया में हम पैदा हुए हैं, यहाँ पले बड़े हैं, हम अगर कहीं ठंडी कंट्री में जाते हैं, इमीडिएटली हमारा सिस्टम चेंज नहीं होता.
नहीं.
सिस्टम को चेंज होने वक्त लगता है.
करेक्ट.
एक्सेस वाइन क्रिएट्स हीट एंड जनरेट्स मोर एसिड. आई हैव सीन दैट विद पीपल हु कम फ्रॉम ट्रॉपिकल कंट्रीज.
Okay. In today's time, when everybody is frightened of this virus, explain to me how does this virus affect the body, and then people, unfortunately, some of them die. What happens as a process?
Sir, process के लिए is very simple. This virus attacks a cell. Should I use very heavy terms? I don't think so. I'll make it very simple.
And you tell us the way you want to tell us, because don't make it simplify with us. We will try to come to our own conclusion. Because you should not come across that as a person कि मैंने गलत आदमी को बुला लिया, ये तो बड़ी आसानी से सारी बातें समझा रहा है.
Yeah. So basically this attacks a cell known as ACE2. ठीक है. Okay. Now, I don't know if a lot of people know, but major of your virus fighting cells are made in your bone marrow.
Okay.
Now when this virus attacks you, now first they were saying that this is in your lungs. They say it lurks around here. But if virus is entering your blood and ACE2, this cell is found in your heart, your kidneys, a lot of places. So it's everywhere. Now, second thing that came into consideration was people said zinc low, zinc are low. That is true. But what I say is immune system, जैसे मैंने आपसे पहले कहा, spleen. For a common man, it's not his fault. Thought is मैंने हल्दी पी लिया, वायरस मर जाएगा. वायरस मरता कैसे है, ये एक बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोसेस है. अगर हमने सांस ले रहे हैं, सपोज गॉड फॉरबिड मैंने सांस ली अभी, मेरे नाक में अगर ये कोविड वायरस गया, तो यहाँ पे मेरे भगवान ने मुझे यहाँ पे सेंसर्स, वी हैव सेंसर्स हियर, दे आर नोन एज डेंड्रिटिक सेल्स. दिस सेंस द वायरस. अगर यहाँ पे सेंस हुआ
Mm.
they'll try to kill it here.
Mm. Okay.
If not killed, they will alert the whole system.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, first step.
Mm.
अभी ये सेल बनने के लिए जो न्यूट्रिएंट चाहिए
Mm.
बॉडी में, अगर वो ना हो
Mm.
तो क्या ये सेल, डू यू थिंक दिस सेल विल वर्क एफिशिएंटली?
No.
Exactly. First reason why people are falling sick.
Mm.
Your sensory system to sense virus can be weak. Okay, sir?
So let me stop at this stage only and tell you, how do we make that system which can kill the virus here only stronger?
Sir, you need a combination of nutrients in the body.
What are those nutrients?
There is A, vitamin A,
Okay.
E,
Uh-huh.
D,
Mm.
B,
Mm.
B family,
Mm.
and then there is folic.
Okay. What is the connection of vitamin C with it? Sorry, am I interrupting too much? Do you want to explain?
No. It's great. I'm having a great conversation. Please go ahead.
So what is the importance of, you yourself told me you have manufactured or you have designed your own medicines. I've been having those vitamin C tablets 2 a day, and I will come to the other immune system tablets that which you have manufactured.
It's coming out soon, yeah.
How does vitamin C work in this kind of a situation?
Sir, C also helps. You understand? C works when very important thing is it's an antioxidant.
Okay.
Now, oxidation is a starting of damaging of cells,
Mm.
which happens daily.
Mm.
So it reverses that.
Okay. So coming back to it, so यहाँ पर it fights over here, and if it does not fight here, it informs the whole body. It sends the signal to the whole body, and then
the general immune system is alerted.
Mm.
Okay. Now I'm going to the second step.
Mm.
Abhi, what happens is, because this virus is new,
Mm.
our body has not dealt with it ever. So it takes time to sense and to think what to do with it.
Okay.
Okay. Now, there is a cell in the body known as a natural killer cell.
Somebody asked a question just now, so isn't vitamin C, vitamin E increases the heart risk, something like that?
Vitamin E, heart risk. Vitamin E is widely found in all the vegetables, sir.
I'll tell you what is this they are asking. Somebody called Music KR1. Isn't vitamin E risky for heart? Not true.
Vitamin E, sir, is present in all the vegetarian food, majorly. Green vegetable में आपको vitamin E मिलेगा ही मिलेगा.
Okay.
Vitamin E is very good, but sometimes some studies have shown कि if you take excess of synthetic vitamin E, तो थोड़े problems हुए हैं लोगों को. ज़्यादा excess में synthetic लिया तो.
Okay. So the gentleman knows what he's asking. So come back to body gets alerted. They are not familiar with this new virus that has come in, and then
now now there are 4 to 5 different type of immune responses. But let me come to the main point about, suppose this virus is sensed. Okay. Now body makes something known as immunoglobulin. They mark. ये कैसे होता है? I don't know how do I say it. Like, how do you mark यहाँ पे खड्डा है, or the danger? On highways you have sign danger prone area. It's marked.
Okay. Yes.
It's marked that because यहाँ पे संभाल, यहाँ पे slow हो जाओ. So these cells, they mark the virus. Virus के ऊपर एक ऐसा coating. अगर suppose this is a virus, it will get a coating like this on it. So that the next cell, it is known as the natural killer cell. Okay, they can kill the virus efficiently. Now, body has its own poison to kill the virus. ये poison बनने के लिए भी you need certain vitamins and nutrients in the body. If that is not there, your body is not able to effectively kill the virus. Your white blood cells, WBC that we call, they go to kill the virus, but they die. That is one of the reasons to understand that immune system is not just one thing. It's a very complex system which requires a lot of nutrients. एक चीज से the system doesn't work.
Okay, there are some very interesting questions coming in over here. There are some nice questions they asked me. Let me go back to these people, and they said this. Somebody saying this virus is man-made. I don't know. That
Even if it's man-made, we have to find out how to fix it. Now, man-made hai original, we can't change that. So let's do something that we can change, right?
So, what is your 3 most important factors that a person should use in this time, or 5, to fight this, to make them better? And let me ask, what are the 3 most important things a person should do to fight this virus?
Okay. I remember I told you, actually the good point you spoke about was your spleen. Now, spleen nurtures these cells which will go and fight your virus. Yes. So it will be very much right to say that you have to keep your spleen in good health.
And how?
By not getting acidic in this time.
Okay, so by not having bread pakoda at this time.
No. No. Not too much of it.
Not too much.
Not too much of it. We should just control yourself. I tell you, sir. It is much. If you give me a choice to fall sick or to have 1 pizza less, I would go with 1 pizza less.
Okay. Then that was first thing, to keep your spleen healthy. Second,
I mean to say spleen healthy, and you don't get acidic.
You don't get acidic. Okay. Then what are the other 2 things?
Avoid sugar.
Avoid sugar. Okay.
Okay. Especially this time.
Okay.
It's very sad actually that I'm a fan of rains. I love rains. This is a time I would love to go out, have a fresh. I'm a fan of pizzas. I love pizza. But now what to do? We are in a situation where we can't help it. We have to give away some of the things that we would love to right now because it's the need of the hour. Sugar, yes, sugar is very bad to have, especially at this point.
Why is sugar bad?
So sugar weakens your immune system.
How?
Your immune system weakens.
But how?
So sugar messes with even your adrenals. So that, and also the absorption. Okay, it weakens your intestinal absorption also. So if you are, suppose when I said a combination of nutrients that your body needs to manufacture different cells which will fight your infection. Your nutrients are absorbed from where? From your intestines. So if your intestines don't work well, how will your body absorb nutrients? Leave alone making new virus fighting cells. How is it possible? So that's why the 4th thing I would like to say after sugar is to keep your gut health very good. Because
how does one do that?
Gut health by eating mild, like you've seen me how I eat.
Yes, you eat dal and rice day and night.
Simple food.
Simple food. किसी ने पूछा कि alkaline को कैसे strong रख सकते हैं?
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Alkaline को कैसे strong रख सकते हैं? किसी ने
Alkaline को कैसे strong कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, मतलब something like that, similar kind of a question. Let me just get back to. So, what are the best alkaline foods and drinks? Sorry, that was Singh Shruti.
Okay, Shruti, right? Shruti.
Yeah.
Shruti, first thing is stop having your sodas. Okay, if you're talking about anything to do with drinks, and if you're having juices, if you're having say morning carrot juice, if you're having spinach, kale, whatever, if you're having green juices, if you want it to be alkaline for you, do not gulp. हम लोग सर we do this lot of times. Morning में वो मस्त green glass दिखता है या juice दिखता है, खटक से पी के निकल जाते हैं. That is wrong.
You should sip it.
Sip it. क्योंकि alkaline acidic is a very what do you call it? It's a very gray area to talk about because अगर मैंने sip किया, it's good for me. If I don't sip it, if I don't mix my saliva with it, it can get acidic inside.
Okay, very good. Ishita Joshi has asked a very interesting question, and I'm feeling bad for her. She says, my dad avoids sugar and he doesn't even have much of any fried stuff. Still, he got COVID-19 positive.
How old is he?
Okay, that
Okay.
maybe let's say 50.
Okay. Okay. See, after a point, your system goes weak.
Uh,
So one good thing that he did was he did not have sugar. He did not eat very wrong. He's kept his system fine. But I can come to a conclusion that might be his body might be low from the cocktail of nutrients that is needed to keep your immune function healthy. अगर ये इसमें से I'll be releasing something soon that people can read more about it. I've made something which is very simple for people to understand because ये immune जो है ना अभी इतना speculations है इसमें. There's so much of speculation and so much of scattered data that people are confused. That's one more thing that I like to I do it through my social media is I want to inform people the right knowledge, not some blogging. I don't give out my own thoughts and blah blah. Science. If you know science, it will be nice to say it will free you.
Somebody's asked an interesting question. How does Kapal Bharti and yoga, that breathing exercises, do Alom Vilom? Does it help? Oxygen point of view?
Sir, breathing exercises, so we don't use much part of our lungs, like the top part, we don't use much because ज़्यादा करके लोग, if you see, we are breathing through our stomachs. सांस लेते तो पेट ही आ जाता है, you know. So when we do deep breaths, we of course increase your oxygen levels in the body, which is fairly very good. Yeah.
I told you that I have that oxygen machine which checks and you laughed. Why did you laugh the other day?
Let's not talk about that. Let's not talk. Let's keep this stuff.
Okay. Why has it two questions, and then I will come to the medicines that you are manufacturing. Why doesn't the medical body recognize alternate medicine people? Why is still like Ayurveda, like homeopathy, like what you do? What is it? Is that there's a lobby of medical people? What is it?
Sir, if suppose if I was on a board to decide what can be allowed, what shouldn't be allowed, it is very important to take in consideration what I have learned. If I have for 10 years, if I have learned that only allopathy works, automatically my decision will be only allopathy. So it's again a very gray area because might be they must have tried this, so that's why they don't believe it, that's why they are not allowing it, or that's why they are not promoting it. So I would say to all such people who are in such positions to promote alternative medicine, to give it a try so that they can have their faith on it, because even they have a lot of responsibility on their shoulders. Some public health is on their shoulders, so it's a very tough job for them to decide what is right, what is wrong, but they can do much better job again if they try it, and when they feel the difference, they can promote it, and a lot of other people can benefit from alternative medicine.
Yeah, like look at the Ayurveda, like look at the people, the kind of foreigners which come to Ayurvedic centers in Kerala, other places. It's an amazing people, and they feel better. They vouch for it, you know.
So that is what a simple thing. What we have, we don't value. घर की मुर्गी की दाल बराबर, that statement is so right because we've grown around Ayurveda. Like I remember when I was young, आप जब आपके बचपन में, you must have seen, हम लोग कहाँ मेडिसिन लेते थे इतना, हम लोग सब नेचुरल क्योर्स पे.
हाँ, मेरा तो डॉक्टर शिमला में हर चीज के लिए एक ही कलर की दवाई देता था. बहुत साल बाद पता चला कि उसमें कुछ भी नहीं होता था और हम ठीक हो जाते थे.
Exactly, placebo.
हाँ, करेक्ट.
तो placebo, yeah.
क्या जी डॉक्टर साहब मेरे गले में दर्द हो रहा है, मेरे डॉक्टर साहब सिर में दर्द हो रहा है, पेट में दर्द, वही व्हाइट कलर की गोली होती थी और हर उस गोली से खा के हम ठीक हो जाते थे.
Exactly.
What prompted you to manufacture or make your own medicines?
Sir, because I work with a lot of doctors around the world. मैं last time अमेरिका भी आया था. I met couple of people. I go to Germany and a lot of doctors because I saw a change. Like suppose a vitamin. Imagine a vitamin is like a superstar.
Hmm.
जैसे आप शूट पे जाते हो, you'll need your manager, you'll need your boy, you'll need your PR team. आपको काम करने के लिए you need support.
Hmm.
So if you read about a vitamin and say कि इसके 20 काम हैं, this vitamin does 20 different stuff, this vitamin does 30 different stuff. For it to do those 30 function, it cannot work alone. It needs support, it needs side nutrient, it needs bi-nutrients along with it. So because I don't use drugs, sir. We use a lot of nutrients for people to heal, because I feel suppose skin kata hai, to give the body the nutrient it needs to make skin. So we went into it. It went on for a lot of years. We went into making nutrients along with the right base, what it needs to function properly, and to mimic it how it occurs in a natural form. अगर आप एक संतरा तोड़ के आप जो विटामिन सी लेते हो, उसके अंदर विटामिन सी के साथ जो होता है, we make something similar. Just to give you a simple example, जैसे that person spoke about vitamin E. So though even government allows it, we try to not just work as per the norms but above the norms.
Okay. So you are making, you have given me something for my liver. What is it called?
That's a liver cleanser.
Liver cleanser. Very good.
Clean. Liver clean.
Okay. The other thing is vitamin C that you made. What's it called?
That's potency.
And recently you have also made something which increases your immune system.
Sir, that thing, like as I spoke about, all the thing that your body needs, like that woman, she spoke about, my father eats fine, everything, she still got it. That's because first understand our food is not the same anymore. Soil has changed. Soil has no nutrients. Genetically modified food hai. It just grows. So food doesn't have enough nutrient. So especially these times, what your body needs just to make your immune cells, we have made something like that, which helps your body to have everything inside in stock in case you get infected. So it can quickly manufacture your immune cells, which can sense, kill, and also adapt, and make sure you don't fall sick.
So in this, if I have to technically ask you, suppose there are some doctors on this chat who are watching this. If I have to ask you technically, I know that people want to keep the formula with themselves and don't want to. What are the things that you have used in this immune system tablet, in the capsule?
Sir, it's very simple. I like to speak openly about it, because again, if someone can make best out of this, why not? इसके अंदर suppose when you're in your teens, you have a vitamin tablet, and someone in their 30s has a vitamin tablet. 3 days, if all of them have, the two people have tablets, same tablet, 3 days, the person in their teens will look much better, skin will look better, but the 30% guy will need to have 5 tablets. That is because your body's capability to process a nutrient or a vitamin or a mineral weakens with time.
Right.
That's why 16-year-old might just need 1 or 2 tablets, 30-year-old will need 3-4 tablets.
That's why you tell me
this process. Yes, sir?
That's why you tell me have 2 tablets instead of 1.
No. Don't take it on you.
Okay, sorry.
So what your body does using a nutrient for 5 hours in your teens, what it makes from that, we give you that form, so that your body does not have to process it so much, and it can quickly use it to give you best results.
When is your website coming up? When are you launching your website? People need to go to your website, and according to me, my practical experience and now this conversation, in fact, I have a clarity of thought after this 45-minute conversation with why I was coming to you. All this time, I was just coming to you on faith, because I used to feel psychologically and otherwise also good. So when are you going to the world is going to need to benefit from your knowledge, because I don't usually have these kind of conversations with somebody who I don't believe in. And this is
Thank you,
something
sir.
which is medical term में आप किसी को बेवकूफ नहीं बना सकते, किसी को धोखा नहीं दे सकते. I thought a lot before I said, okay, I will have a conversation. Not thought because I was questioning your capability, but it's important. It's important to have a sense of responsibility to get somebody who is older than me in his thought process, but 28 years old otherwise. Okay. So when are you going to make this information public so that people can benefit? Millions of people need to benefit, not some film stars and cricket stars and things like that. It's not fair,
No.
you know. And I'm sure you are making these medicines to reach out to the world.
So it took a lot of time in making it and to make sure it's effective, because as I said earlier, we do not make something just mix it or दे दो ये immune ऐसा नहीं. It's a very deep process, and I was chatting to a lot of my friends and the doctors in US, around the world actually, to make sure that it is just right and it can really help. This information will be out mostly by next week. My site is almost ready, but we are awaiting few clearances. Once we have them, it will be out.
What will it be called? What is your website called?
Sir, I have there's a company known as Youth Secrets.
Youth Secrets. Wow, that also sounds like as if it's some sex also.
As I said earlier, how your body works in youth, what it processes, we use that.
Acha. Youth Secrets, not Youth Secret. What is it?
I won't say it. Secrets.
Please follow. Huh? Youth Secrets. Okay, mine means okay, which is that's means I'm sure once it is out, it will become popular. But right now, my mind is going into different directions. But
I know.
thank you, doctor. Thank you so much. It's
Pleasure.
wonderful. And this information has been, a lot of people are asking a lot of questions and saying hello, and they're saying, nice doctor, thank you. You are my inspiration. And
Pleasure. Thank you so much.
Virologist from US. And then there are some people, Arman Malik is saying, hello, I want to increase my romance time.
Hi, Arman.
Somebody is saying, I want to increase my romance time. How? So I don't know, there is something romantic about you also.
Tell him we'll come to that soon. First, make sure you don't fall sick. We'll talk about romance later.
Music KR says, does he have or recommend any natural cure for diabetics?
For diabetics?
Yeah.
That's again, I'll have to explain people how it happens and what needs to be done. There is no one thing. It's for diabetes, you have to change lifestyle.
We'll have to come to that next session. But thank you, doctor. I will see you soon.
Pleasure's mine.
Please give on air. Tell me, when am I seeing you? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow evening, I'm seeing you.
Done. Thank you so much. God bless you. You are the best. And I'm so happy that we had this chat. I will call you up after.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
दोस्तों मजा आया बहुत. देखो ज्ञान का क्या है ना, ज्ञान मिलता है ना तो उससे भी नशा आता है. आज इतनी चीजें मुझे सुनने को, देखने को मिली और सुनने को मिली कि मजा आ गया. आपको कैसा लगा? योर मेडिसिन आर कॉस्टली कोई बोल रहा है, पता नहीं, वो चले गए. हाउ वी गेट हिज अपॉइंटमेंट पता नहीं, पता करेंगे. वो जब अपनी लॉन्च करेंगे तो मैं भी उसके बारे में ट्वीट करूंगा. हाउ टू, अरे हट जी कर गर्दर किसान फजूल के सवाल पूछते हैं, मेरे सामने पंगा नहीं लेने का क्या. और बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. और बहुत अच्छे आप अंगूठे दिखाते हैं, दिल की धड़कनें बढ़ाते हैं राइट में. एक बोलते हैं, हाय चाचा, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू. ओके बेटे, भतीजे, आई एम ऑल्सो प्राउड ऑफ यू इफ यू डू समथिंग नाइस अबाउट लाइफ. एंड बस बाकी सब ठीक है, अपना ख्याल रखो. हाउ इज एप्पल, मैंने वो चले गया बेटा, मेरे को नहीं. why wheat flour is better than maida or what is the difference? वो चले गए, मेरे को माफ कर दो, वो चले गए. तो बाकी चीजें बाद में करेंगे. And we'll get another guest very soon. Take care. Lots of love. Jai Ho and Jai Hind. Namaskar.